Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to use fillet command in AutoCAD. Fillet command is mostly used to create round on the corners. So we will just see how to use fillet command. I will draw one L section using line command. So let's draw one corner. Specify length, enter, escape. So we have created one L section here. I want to create a round on this corner. Then you can select here fillet, or else you can press F, enter. F is the shortcut for fillet command. So first of all I will directly show you how fillet works. Select first line, and before you select the second line, specify the radius for the round which will be forming here. I will give radius I will specify as 20. So before we have selected one line, then select the second line. See, so this is the simple example. We will go in depth for this fillet command. Undo we will see later, polyline also we will see later. First of all we will go for radius option indicates the round radius. So what I will do is, again I will draw. Now I will not specify the length. I have drawn directly freehand sketch. Select the fillet command from here, or else press F, enter. Now I want the round at this corner. So before proceeding to next steps, what we will do is, first we will specify the radius for this round like this way. Now see, previously we have specified the radius 20. So the value which is in between this less than and greater than symbols or brackets is the default value. Means if we directly press enter, the radius will be automatically 20. So the next process is, select first line, then select second line. See, the default value was 20. So you can clearly see that both these arcs are of the same radius. Suppose I want to specify some other value for this radius. Then select here fillet, go for radius, then specify the radius as 25, or else you can specify 30. Select the first line, select the second line. Okay. So this was the first option for fillet. Then I will go for next option. Next option here is the option for trim. In my previous videos I have shown how to use trim command. If you have not seen, I will mention it in the top right corner. You can see that video also for the trim command, but I will explain in this fillet command also. So what trim does, it automatically trims the intersection, means the corner which was found before the fillet command has been automatically trimmed. So if you don't want to trim, means the segment which was here, if you don't want to trim that segment, you can go here trim. See, the default value is trim. So what it was doing, it was trimming this section. So I don't want to trim this section, so select here no trim, go for radius. In every step you have to specify the radius 15. select first line, select second line. Now in this diagram you can clearly see that the corner which was formed using the line has not been trimmed because we have selected no trim option. Then again next option is multiple. In multiple what we are going to see is, I will draw lines or multiple corners. As in my words I have said that multiple corners, same way the fillet command will work. It will create fillet on the multiple corners. So for selecting multiple fillet, first of all select here multiple, then specify the radius for this fillet. I will specify the radius suppose I want 20. Select the first line, select second line. Now if you want to continue with the radius 20, then you can directly select your first line, second line, first line, second line. Now I don't want here 20, suppose I want different value here. Then what you can do is you can select your radius, then specify the different radius value 30, then select your first line, select second line. Then suppose I want to trim this section and also specify the different radius value other than these two. Go for radius, specify the value as 25, then go for trim because we don't want this to intersection or the sharp corners. Select trim, then select the first line, select second line. Okay, then you can continue either way or you can choose different options. Okay, so this was the option multiple. Then next option is of polyline. Polyline is a single entity, means if you are drawing some segments using the polyline, see I have created this polyline segment, escape, then select your fillet. In fillet command we have seen radius, trim, multiple, then we will go for polyline. Oh sorry, in multiple, see one concept is there, I will do Control Z. Suppose you want multiple fillet on this complete segment and you haven't selected your option multiple, so what the difficulty will come, see first radius I will specify 20, select first line, select second line. See before selecting the second line, just remember that as soon as you select the second line, automatically you will be exiting the fillet command. See I will select the second line. Okay, the fillet command has been exited, and in the other case means in multiple option, you are as soon as you select the first line and select second line, see the still fillet command has been activated. Okay, so this is the difference of using multiple and not using multiple. Control Y to redo. Oh, sorry. Polyline. I will draw polyline here. So these are the different segments which I have drawn using polyline. In polyline, what I was speaking about to polyline. When you select this polyline, see the complete segment of the polyline has been selected. Okay, so this is the importance of polyline. In polyline, suppose you want to fillet all the segments, means all the corners of this complete polyline, then select here polyline, give the radius. Suppose I want the radius as 20, enter, select the polyline. Okay, in polyline option you can't give different fillet radius. Please note that in polyline you can't give different fillet radius. Okay, because it is a continuous line. And sorry, I will redo it. See, suppose if you want to trim all these sharp corners, then again the previous process which I have specified you, go in fillet, select your trim, select your trim, polyline, select the polyline. What here, what has happened here? Maybe the distance is less than the radius. See, the radius was 20, so at this corner the fillet can't be applied, or else I will do, or I will make the radius less. Select your fillet, select your radius, I will specify as 15, select your polyline this way. Okay, also you can trim these sharp corners, okay, using the trim command inside the fillet. Now the next option is of undo. Undo will mostly work in the multiple option. I will remove this, go for fillet, sorry, oh, fillet, select here multiple. Now I am giving the radius of 20 mm here, go for radius 20, select first line, select second line, select first line, select second line. Now at this corner we want the radius of 25, select first line, select second line, but the previous radius, means the radius which was first in uh, firstly typed for this sharp corner will be continued further, but I want radius of 25 here, so what we will do is we will click on undo, then go for radius I want 25 at this corner, select first line, select second line. Again if you want 30 here and by mistake if you have clicked, so the default previous radius will be accepted. I don't want that radius, so I have undone the process. U stands for undo. Okay, then again go for radius, type the value 30, select first line, select second line, and escape it. Okay friends, so this video was for fillet command. If you have any doubt regarding the fillet command, you can type in the comment box, and please do subscribe to my channel if you like my video. Thank you.